Here we are proud to offer this 2000 Chevy Corvette Convertible Premium with 8,100 original miles. That is 8,100 original miles. Beautiful Florida car. Gorgeous. Dark blue. Tan interior, tan convertible top. Convertible top is in excellent shape. Car's a garage cap. Beautiful, beautiful car. It is a premium. It does have active handling, heads-up display, premium wheels. Tires are in excellent shape. Car is laser straight, clean Carfax, garage kept its whole life. Gorgeous, gorgeous condition. 8,100 original miles. Beautiful car. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. As for Jeff or Ken, you can call or text us to that number, 954-561-2499. Beautiful 2000 Chevy Corvette C5. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Look at this car, it's beautiful. Laser straight, heads-up display, sport seats, active handling. Gorgeous. Blue on tan top. Got all the upgrades you could get back in 2000. Car is fully optioned. Look at that. Beautiful. Shines beautifully. It's a perfect day here in Florida. The leather seats are in perfect shape. Interior is gorgeous. This car is a time capsule. Excellent, excellent shape. The convertible top is in excellent shape as well. Tucks in right here in the back. Beautiful car. Again, 8,100 original miles, no accidents, no stories whatsoever, absolutely flawless. Hard to find any marks on this whole car. There may be one tiny bug chip or so in the front bumper, but that's it. Gorgeous. Got all the original books and manuals. It has the original key fobs and keys, two of those. It does have heads-up display. The engine is in excellent condition. It is automatic. Everything is operating and working exactly the way it's supposed to. Car runs and drives like a brand new car. There's your heads-up display. It is working. Look at the engine compartment. It's like brand new on this car. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. A laser straight 2000 Chevy Corvette Convertible C5. Absolutely stunning car. Chrome wheels, tires are excellent. Look at that car. 8,100 original miles. Beautiful car. Jump in it and go. Look at the seats, excellent shape. Got the sport seats. These are the upgraded sport seats. They're a lot more comfortable. They got a little more bolster to them than the plain factory. The mileage is 8139. Now that could change by a couple just from demonstrating purposes, but it's gonna stay roughly right there. 8,100 miles. As you can see, there's no warning lights on. I know it's very sunny here in Florida. It's kind of hard to see the gauges, but this thing is running, and it runs beautifully. Radio, cold air, everything is working exactly the way it's supposed to. Does have active handling. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help at any time. Gorgeous Corvette C5 2000 with 8,000 original miles. It's a beautiful, stunning car. Thanks for looking. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We are happy to help at any time. Thank you.